Hey loves, it's your girl Kiki and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing a wash and a deep condition and a style. I picked some SheaMoisture products up from Target the other day and I wanted to try them out. So the products that I picked up from SheaMoisture are from the Manuka honey and the Mafura oil line. I picked up the intensive hydration shampoo and I got the intensive hydration leave-in milk, and this is what it looks like. I also got the intensive hydration hair mask. I've been seeing really good reviews on this hair mask, so that is mainly why I did get this, and then I figured I'd get some of the other things from the line as well to try out with it. Now this line does also have a conditioner, but I figured since I got the deep conditioner that I didn't really need that. SheaMoisture has so many different product lines, but I was drawn to this one specifically because of the Manuka honey. So yeah, I am excited to try these out. I have not deep conditioned my hair in a while. As you can see, baby needs it. I just took my last style out, which was the purple ombre knotless box braids. I actually took them out like 2-3 days ago, and I just been letting my hair run free, and now baby is dry and tangled and a mess. So she is in need of a deep conditioning. So yeah. All right, y'all, so without further ado, let's get into this video and go to the shower and wash our hair. Alright love, so the first thing I'm going to do is shampoo my hair, and I'm going to shampoo with the SheaMoisture Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Shampoo. And this shampoo contains Manuka Honey, Mafura Oil, and fig extract. And I did like the shampoo. It did not leave my hair feeling, you know, dry and stripped, so I really did like that. Alright, so next we're going to add our deep conditioner, and I'm going to use the intensive hydration hair mask, and I'm just going to put that all in my hair. And you guys, this felt so good going on my hair, but I will say it was cold. I wish I had warmed it up and then put it in my hair. I feel like it would have glided on a lot better, but it did feel really good going on my hair. Me and being extra, I did put some in my brush and then brushed it through my hair just to make sure that every strand was coated. But yeah, so I just did that, and then I'm going to cover my hair and continue my shower. And y'all, I let this sit in my hair for about 35 to 40 minutes, and then I'm gonna rinse it out and we're gonna move on to the next step. Alright y'all, so disclaimer. Alright, this part is not a tutorial. I repeat, this is not a tutorial. This was my first time actually using Flexi rods, y'all, and like I honestly did not know what I was doing. I don't know, but I'm gonna just add the intensive hydration leave-in milk to each section, and then I'm gonna just part the section out using my finger, and I'm gonna roll them in the Flexi rods. But yeah, again, I like the way this style came out, but y'all, I did not know what I was doing, and I was so worried when I was rolling this. But yeah, I'm gonna stop blabbering and I'm just gonna let you finish watching the video, and I'll be back for the finished look. So this is the finished product, you guys. I'm gonna be honest, when I was first rolling my hair, I was like, this is a complete fail. I don't even know if I want to post this, like, but I will say it did come out decent. I mean, I've seen better, honey, but again, you know, I always say practice makes progress, so I'm gonna keep practicing on my Flexi rods, and we're gonna get it together. I do think that if I use some foam or something, I'm sure that would have maybe came out a little better if my wrapping technique was a little better. And also if I use some kind of oil or something, I think that would help too. But I really just wanted to use these products and see how it worked on my hair. Overall, I did really like the products. My favorite was definitely the hair mask. It made my hair feel really good. I will say next time I'm gonna either A, heat this up and then put it in my hair, or B, I'm gonna put it in my hair and sit under a dryer or a steamer. We'll see which one I get first. But still, even without doing that, I think this worked out really well. The shampoo was a shampoo. It didn't make my hair feel super dry and super stripped, so I like this too. And the leave-in hair milk, it did its job. It wasn't as heavy as I would have liked it to be. I assumed because it had honey that it would be like super just, I don't know. I feel like I assumed that it would be different than it was. But again, it worked. It did good. My hair is moisturized. You can see my hair does still have a little shine to it. I did not use any other products other than the products from this line. I did not use any oil. I didn't use any other leave-in. I didn't use anything. I only used these 3 products, and this is what I got. This was my first time doing a Flexi rod set, y'all, so be gentle. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do, y'all. It is free and it helps your girl out so much. I did purchase all these products from Target. I will make sure to link everything down below. Oh, I use 18 Flexi rods, if anyone needs to know that. So yeah, I hope I didn't leave anything out. Again, if you have any questions, please feel free to write me a comment down below. You know, I will always respond. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you all. And until next time, please take care, stay safe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.